Hello everyone, today I want to showcase this mini Wi-Fi smart switch which you can purchase probably on every Chinese website selling stuff. This specific one comes from TEMU, once again an item I bought from them. It's pretty cheap and so far it worked really well, so I want to show you how you can connect this device to control your, let's say, lights or anything else remotely through your Wi-Fi. So what do you get? What do you get is pretty much like this. The device comes into this little bag. You have a user manual, of course, but it's not really complicated. The app for controlling this device is called EV-Link, and through that app you can pair this device. So I will now show you how you can connect a light like this one, 30-watt floodlight for outside. Before I start, I want to say that I'm not a professional and I will not be responsible for any damages you may experience or create on your devices and equipment. This is just some sort of educational video based on my experience. So let's start. What do we have here is a cable which will mimic the power source. Usually if you would connect such device, you would maybe want to have it in your light switch or something like that, but here we will use this cable to power the switch, and from there we will connect the light, and I will show you how to use an app to pair the device. To connect the device, here in this area you see little points where you can connect the power and where you can connect the device. Here you have options for switches, which I'm not going to be showing today. So if you want to power the device, you need to find a point which says L in and N in, which means live wire and neutral, and there you need to connect the power source. So basically L in the second one and N in the third one. Now I'll connect those and we'll continue. Once you connect the power source, so live wire and neutral wire, to do so you simply need to put the wire inside and then screw the little screw here to attach it, to properly attach it so it doesn't fall out. Now to connect the light, it's pretty much the same. You pick the gray wire or the brown wire here and you put it in the first point which says L out, which means live is going out to the floodlight, and the blue wire you connect to N out, which is pretty simple, but some people might be confused. Once we do that, the device will be fully assembled and we will be able to control the light through the device, which I will show after I connect this. To summarize, we have a switch, Wi-Fi switch, and light, the item we want to power, and to connect it, it goes like this. You have a diagram on the back which says which wire goes where, and after that it's only a matter of plugging it into the power source, which I'm going to do now. As you can see, the Wi-Fi switch is blinking, which means it's operational, and if we click here the device will turn on this lamp. As you can see, it's really bright. Clicking again turns it off, and that's how you connect the switch to the light. Now I'm going to show you how to pair the device to your mobile phone, or better said to the app through which you can control this little device. You can set a schedule, timer, and yeah, basically control the device.